How you doing everyone? Bada here, and today's video I will be blasting through my gas blowback airsoft collection. If you'd like to see the full video with individual breakdowns and some of the little reasons why I own many of the particular items, tap the card here. Disclaimer for YouTube, these clips are of toy guns, they are not real, and they were used in safe, controlled environments with absolutely no danger to men, women, children, babies, cats, kittens, dogs, puppies,
lions, the tigers, the bears, oh my.
Now, before we get into it, I want to say thank you for joining me, and if you like the content and you want to help support my little channel, of course you can like and subscribe, or you can buy my coffee. Yes, I am now a small batch coffee roaster that supplies ethically sourced single origin coffee. Since my 20k sub video, Bada coffee has travelled on 2 different continents and is being enjoyed by mainland Europe, Portugal and Belgium, to the US and even as far as Hong Kong. So it's not only my legendary UK based viewers but also my sensational international subscriber base. Check out badabingcoffee.com and pick yourself up a bag of goodness. And to those of you that have already woken up to Bada Coffee, I am thrilled to be part of your day. That's about it from me, now let's do this. WE-Tech Apache K or MP5K. VFC MP5 version 2. WE-Tech Apache A3 or MP5A5. VFC HK53. WEG36. VFC G36 version 2. Vipertech HK416. Tokyo Marui. Tokyo Marui, AKM. GHK AKM version 2. GHK version 3. Gas blowback rifle. All right.
Right? Wrong.
WE G3 A3. HKPSG1.
Hit. Hit.